What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. I got a super quick tip for you, okay? This can maybe save you a few seconds on your workflow, even more in longer sessions, okay? So in FL Studio, anytime you pull like a waveform into the playlist or something of that nature, it will switch your channel rack filter settings, whatever it detects. So instead of being in all, sometimes when you drag something in, it switches it to audio or unsorted or what have you, and then you have to keep going back and hitting all to see all of your channel rack stuff. Let me show you what I mean. So we see all right now. If I just drag this kick in and go back to the channel rack, see, it changes the view here, and sometimes that can be very annoying. I mean, it's not a hard fix. You just have to click this and do all again. You can actually take that feature off. So if you go into the drop down arrow right here, thing you're going to switch off is the auto switch display filter. When it's on, it has that check mark. If you just click it off, you'll see that the check mark is grayed out. So that means it's not active. So if I bring another kick in and go back to the channel rack, it doesn't change it. So that can be really useful to save you some workflow and, not have to keep switching that shit constantly back and forth. That's pretty much it. If the video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.